Can the Indian mighty India open a single school in Kashmir? Can they open a single school? Can they open a single office in Kashmir? Can they? Can they open a single shop in Kashmir without the consent of Hurriyat Conference? We want to see that power.
اصلا برای البته اونها میخوان حق خودشون را استیفا کنند و مسالمت هم میکنند، لیکن اون شاه است که امر میکند به کشتن اونها.
So there is no alternative to fighting.
هیچ راه حلی نیست.
Akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum, remez dünni fazafor, mekavor. Akakama pana çola, peki sana tuçuk dola. Akakama pana çola, peki sana tuçuk dola. Tenus lumut pana çola, mekavor, sanın çum, akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum.
Akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum, akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum.
Akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum, remez dünni fazafor, mekavor, sanın çum.
Akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum, akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum.
Akaratan devletleri, akaratan devletleri, akaratan devletleri, akaratan devletleri, temiz konari, akor, mekavor, sanın çum, akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum.
Akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum, akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum.
Akavor, akayur, mekavor, sanın çum, remez dünni fazafor, mekavor, sanın çum.
तो आप बॉम्ब कब लगाने जा रहे हैं?
الله حبيبي سال حلون على حوبة عشت ملاحة.
अगर हम इनको अब इस दौरान मतलब जो भी एजुकेशन चल रहा है, अगर हम इस दौरान एजुकेशन नहीं देंगे तो ये आगे जाके क्या करेंगे? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. मतलब ये कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. 2 साल में तो पूरा ये तो सब भूल जाएंगे कि पढ़ाई क्या चीज़ थी. इनको तो जहन में यही जो भी चल रहा है, आज़ादी, बम, पैलेट्स, इनके दिमाग में सारा यही चलेगा. आई थॉट लेट्स डू समथिंग फॉर देम. आई गॉट टू नो दैट दे नीड समथिंग, दे नीड अ गुड एजुकेशन, दे नीड like they should know everything about computers, about modern world. So मैंने वहीं पे ये तय कर लिया कि यहाँ पे स्कूल होना चाहिए. On 1st of March स्कूल खुल गया. सब सही था, एग्ज़ाम्स हो गए थे. जब फर्स्ट टर्म यहाँ पे होता है, यूनिट टेस्ट होता है, सब कुछ सही था. मैंने मार्क्स शीट वगैरह सब कुछ बनाया था. तो जो अब इनको मार्क्स कार्ड लेने के एट द टाइम ऑफ एट द फिनिश ऑफ दिस वेकेशन, समर वेकेशन, तो उनको आना था. पेरेंट्स को अपने मार्क्स, बच्चों के मार्क्स कार्ड ले जाते. तो देन छुट्टी हो गया उनका. तो आई वॉज एट होम. फिर ईद का सीन था, अपनी ईद हो गई. तो जब स्कूल भी जाना था तो अचानक से क्या हो गया कि बुरहान वानी जो वहाँ, उनकी डेथ हो गई.
There are a lot of Pandits who are living in Tram, where Burhan was killed. In that village also Pandits live, and Pandits still live today in the same village where Burhan was martyred. Okay, so it is not like the Pandits are being killed. There is a place Yechigam. Okay, after this 1990s, Yechigam is the only place where new temple was built. Temples have never been desecrated or destroyed in Kashmir. So we are a very tolerant group of population, but the Indian, their behavior, this will lead to the extremism here.
I haven't heard that, but there are different reasons why there was a breakaway from mainland India. You have to see, like geographically also. We were cut off from India. There are like big mountains on the Indian side, and our main route, the Silk Route, was through Central Asia. So we're more connected to Central Asia than to India.
Islam over here started as Sufism. Yes. So Sayyid Ali Hamdani was a Sufi as well as statesman, because as a industrialist in a way. So he had a multi-pronged personality. तो सूफीज़म यहाँ रहा है इनग्रैंड, बट
Not the Sufism which is projected by Sarkar. मोदी 10-20 लोगों को लाते हैं, कहते हैं दिस इज वर्ल्ड सूफी कॉन्फ्रेंस, तो दैट इज सरकारी सूफीज्म.
खलनायक विलन को कहते हैं. मैं कहता हूँ न नेक है, न नायक है, न नेक है, न नायक है, ये नालायक खलनायक है.
होता यह है कि व्हाट पीपल वांट वो हमारी तरह फ्रैंकली आपको नहीं बताएंगे जो एजुकेटेड एलीट, बिकॉज दे सस्पेक्ट कोई फॉरेनर आ जाएगा, दे विल बी ओपन टू हिम. लेकिन जो हिंदुस्तानी आएगा तो दे विल बी अ बिट, हाँ थोड़ा सा वो है, ये है.
देखिए मैं आपको एक बात बताऊंगा, आप 2 मिनट ही बंद कीजिए प्लीज़.
It dates back to the 1400 years ago. The grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Imam Hussain alayhi salam, sacrificed his life, his family, his children, his wife, and all that to the cause of Islam. He fought against the Yazid's tyrannical rule, and that has that martyrdom gave birth to the Islam. It gave new shape to the Islam. Today annually we celebrate this Muharram. We take out the processions to separate to the world that the message of Imam Hussain is peace and justice.
What he did in the Battle of Karbala, so how he was martyred, how he made a difference between the wrong and right. The Shia Muslims actually mourn it from the first day till the 10th of Muharram. It's actually about the martyrdom of the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, Hussain. So Hussain is the symbol everywhere. Hussain is being remembered for justice. He's being remembered what he did in the Battle of Karbala.
Jandivan di sada, Nani Baba. Jandivan di sada, Nani Baba.
The day is being marked. The people come out just to say that they are against injustice, they are against oppression, or they are against brutalities. So wherever they are happening in the world, whether it's Syria, whether it's Iraq, Palestine, or even Kashmir, so it's just for it. And we have a religious faith in this thing, and we cry for the martyrs of Karbala, and we believe that if today Hussain would be among us, we would follow him and we would be in the army of Hussain.
Hussain, Imam Hussain, Haidar. Hussain, Imam Hussain, Haidar. Hussain, Imam Hussain, Haidar. No Hussain! No Hussain! No Hussain! No Hussain! No Hussain!
Kashmir issue is comprising of the Jammu, it's the issue of Jammu, it's the issue of Ladakh, it's the issue of Gilgit-Baltistan, it's the Azad Kashmir, which is Pakistan administered Kashmir. It is total 84,000 square miles of the land, which is a disputed territory. Till date, 18 resolutions were passed. India has signed those resolutions. India is a signatory to those resolutions that we will hold a plebiscite in Kashmir.
But the Britishers were scared of the rising tide of communism in the vicinities of Kashmir, and they didn't wish कि यहाँ independent छोटी स्टेट सब कॉन्टिनेंट में रहें, because they could have become vulnerable to the emerging communist ideology of Russia and China.
Hello.
Mr. Chancellor, Mr. President.
Hello. Mr. President. I have two purposes for my call. First, to wish you a very Merry Christmas, and second, it was very timely with regard to India-Pakistan, because apparently in my talk with you so late at night, remember I said that if that thing could be over by the time this program is on, and by golly it is. It's not a happy ending in any event, but there's no way that part of the world will ever be happy, I'm afraid. And you know that the hatreds that are there, the only place they're equaled is in the Mideast. That's the only place they're equaled. I mean, I think the religious and other hatreds in the Mideast make that problem virtually insoluble, and the same is true of India-Pakistan, and it's just one of those. And when you get the great powers involved, particularly in India-Pakistan, India and China, and then in the Mideast, the Soviet Union and the U.S., it's a real tough pity.
Come on, fall. Fall, damn it, fall.
It's not done by Pakistan. This flag is not unfurled and unveiled by the Pakistan. A constitution is not formulated by Pakistan. It is older constitution than constitution of India and Pakistan. Older than these two countries. If you see the latest, the amendment in the constitution 1931, Indian constitution came into the force on 26th of January 1950. Pakistan constitution 23rd of March and 1973. So whose constitution is older? It was a nation. We had a prime minister till 1965.
Right now, what you are seeing, the world has got, its focus on the Kashmir. It is simply a glimpse of that unsettled issue. So in this way, most of the times what we see that national media represents this whole scenario as, alienation, Kashmiri people are alienated from center, or it is something that the governance and the government is not taking care of the people. It's not like that. It is a political issue, and we want it to be solved politically. So it's a very big issue, but overall we want India to solve the problem of Kashmir not on the basis of religion, but on the basis of humanity, on the basis of promises which their old great leaders have made.
The American industrial military complex, they are trying to pick up a fight with Russia and China at the same time and try to sell this to global public opinion that this is the way to go.
What happened in Punjab had a deep impact upon Kashmir. In Punjab, there had been a ruthlessness. Muslims were driven out from East Punjab. जैसे बंगाल में आजकल है almost 30% मुसलमान है ना? ऐसे ईस्ट पंजाब में भी थे, पंजाब हरियाणा के बेल्ट में, लेकिन all of them were driven out. इसी तरह वेस्ट पाकिस्तान से हिंदूज को ड्राइव आउट किया गया.
The attempts at sabotage by the armed infiltrators have been foiled, and life in Srinagar goes on normally.
तो जो जम्मू के एरियाज के हमारे मुसलमान थे, they felt scared. There was a huge number of war veterans over there. They had been disengaged after the end of the Second World War. They planned a rebellion, anticipating that Maharaja may resort to ethnic cleansing of theirs. Therefore, they planned a rebellion, and that rebellion erupted. It was not a Kabaili war. Rather, Kabailis came in support of them. It was a war which was initiated by the people of Poonch and people of Mirpur, the war veterans of British Army.
हमको सिर्फ आजादी चाहिए, हमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
America, Malbun Saz my name, and you know, I think the past my name, send me my gear, take that to my name. We got go, Sajari, we got go, Sajari, we got go, Sajari, we got go.
Excuse me. My turn. And Hillary can say, look.